here we go. It was almost 48 minutes. Let's go. It didn't feel like 48 minutes. I think this track effect is better from the ground. We'll see. Alright. Hey! Oh, we going up. That looks bumpy. Oh! Ow! What the hell? Alright, it's as bumpy as I remember! Oh, the track's broken! Oh, shit! Woo! Oh! Alright. Oh, it's broken! We jumped! Whoa! Oh, shoot! We're going up again. Broken now. Oh crap. Ah! Woo! We're done. So you know, it's 1:43 long.